and then even further warming on Monday. So we'll get to that in just a moment. Here's a look at satellite radar tracker. As we head into tomorrow morning, we could see a little bit of drizzle once again. We saw that early this morning, just very patchy in nature. So this is not going to be anything too significant. But most of us will see plenty of cloud cover, even for inland spots, by tomorrow morning. But by late morning, things really start clearing out, and we'll continue to see that pattern as we head into the afternoon hours. So we're expecting a really nice forecast for your Easter Sunday. Current conditions outside, 59 degrees in Ontario. Winds out there not too bad from the southwest at 9 miles per hour. And more of those current numbers, we are feeling still some low 60s for Van Nuys, 43 in Big Bear City, but most of us in the upper 50s and in the low 60s. As far as the winds, we actually had some really breezy conditions earlier today. Some of our mountains had gusts in the 50 to 60 mile per hour range. No advisories though. And season rainfall totals, we continue below average. So we do need that rain, and potentially we could be looking at some rain as we head into late next week. So here's what's happening Sunday, Monday, some ridging taking place, blocking any of that rain from impacting us and boosting those numbers by several degrees. So we'll be talking some 80s over the next couple of days for some inland spots. And then by Friday, we have that area of low pressure that's dropping south, and that potentially could bring us a few showers. So we'll continue tracking that for you as we get closer. But numbers tomorrow, not too bad. Upper 70s for a lot of inland spots, even some low 80s for San Bernardino, Riverside, Victorville, Lancaster at 83. We have 90s in Palm Springs. Actually, the low desert, that's the one really warm spot that even today we had some upper 80s and low 90s. But the rest of us mostly in the 70s and some low 80s as we head into tomorrow afternoon. And that 7-day forecast showing you that cool down as we head into later in the week, as we track that area of low pressure that potentially could bring us some rain as we head into Friday. And we could see a little bit of lingering moisture for early Saturday. Again, we'll continue tracking that for you. But for tomorrow and Monday, we're looking at 80s for a lot of our inland spots. That includes the Inland Empire as well as the high desert, keeping things mild in the mountains, mostly in the 60s. Back to you guys.
All right, in the 80s, and by midday, look at that.